Welcome to the new Devault Maintenance Shed, milepost 316. This facility is the latest and the best of our maintenance sheds. This is the Devault Truck and Equipment Wash Bay. It's what we call a hybrid wash because it's part automatic and part manual.
The truck wash bay is a big improvement over the old shed where we didn't have one. This bay has an undercarriage wash installed in it. It also has a fire hose where we can get into the hard to reach areas. This also has a catwalk where we can get above the equipment to spray water down on.
The bay is built with a high ceiling. It's got a steep sloping floor to try and keep the water flowing into the drain. One thing we did here at Devault was we added some windows on the end of the bay because some of the other facilities aren't as light as maintenance would like them to be. So we tried to get as much daylight in here as we can to make the job easier. This is our vehicle maintenance and repair bay. This services everything that we have in our fleet.
It is comprised of 6 individual bays that includes 3 lifts, quite a bit bigger than the old shed that only had one big long bay where you could only work on about 2 trucks. They only had portable lifts over there. The area also has heated floors, which makes it really nice for the mechanics to work in.
There are 4 different stations here with different services for the mechanic. They have compressed air, water, lube oil, electricity, vehicle exhaust removal duct. It has a lot of clearance, a lot of daylighting in it. All in all, this should be a huge improvement over what they've been working with. This is our truck and equipment storage building. 11 bay building, so we went as big as we possibly could go. We're out of 26-foot wide overhead doors now. The reason why we have so much equipment inside now is twofold. One, it lasts longer. This also protects the environment. Everything that has a motor or a fuel tank is inside. If something's leaking, it goes to the drain here. That's going to our oil water separator and our sanitary sewer. It's not going to the rain runoff that's on the outside.
The equipment storage area at the new Devault maintenance location is such an improvement from the old maintenance facility where we parked all of our equipment and trucks outside. It is climate controlled. One of the nice features of this area is it's connected to the rest of the maintenance building so it can be accessed by staff without going outside.
So here we're at the Devault vehicle fueling station. So we have gas, diesel. In addition to that, this is our first shed where we have a DEF pump.
This allows our operators to be able to get diesel fuel and diesel exhaust fluid at one location, whereas at all of our other maintenance locations, they have to go to a separate area to get diesel exhaust fluid.
Everything here at Devault is designed not only for the large equipment that we have, but we're actually trying to accommodate plow trains for winter maintenance. We've also taken our tank tops and our underground storage tanks and pushed them off to the side. They're less susceptible to damage. It just keeps the underground storage tanks better maintained. The staff facilities that we have here at the new Devault are way better than what we have at the old Devault facility. We have men's and women's toilet and locker rooms that will accommodate everybody. We have a much bigger conference room that allows for training and any other need that they have. We have a much nicer lunchroom with better kitchen facilities. Thanks for taking a tour of our new Devault Maintenance Shed.